ingredients. I never tell you to say, you forget do it and spoil on a pot if you normally use whatever you normally use. Hey guys, it's your girl Tori Bennett. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the thumbnail and the title, you already know what I'll be doing. I will be making some Jamaica. Mama say it clear because up your KFC nasty and disgusting. You see me? So I prepare some KFC, some chicken wings and fries. And I did already season the meat from yesterday. Yeah, I'm have one little secret ingredients where I get from one of my brother friend them. Yeah, I get it from him. And from there and then I use it. Everybody say it tastes good. I always use. So I season up the meat from yesterday. This is the chicken wing. I season it up. What I use for season this up is what I use for season this up is I use Maggi all-purpose, a little bit of paprika, a little bit of salt, and the pepper flakes. As you can see, the pepper flakes, they pan it. I'm show you how it look. You see me? This is some chicken wing. Ooh. It look good and not even done yet. So, I'm gonna show you my secret ingredients. I never tell you to say, you forget do it and spoil on a pot if you normally use whatever you normally use it. But they're in the kitchen. So, this is how our kitchen look. This is my secret ingredients. Milk. This is what I use. I don't use egg because my mother don't like egg, you see me? So I can't really use it, and nobody in here really use egg or really eat egg because me not eat egg, you see me? So I use milk. And I'm gonna shake up the milk because as I said, I seasoned my chicken from yesterday, so I'm gonna throw some in a cup and show you. Wait. I never said for drawing the chicken, you know. I'm gonna use a glass cup because I want to see how much milk I put in this. And it's not a lot of wings. This is like 10 or 12 chicken wings. And me alone might eat this because my mother doesn't like fried food anyways. So I want to show the glass. And them already clean. So I'm going to throw out the milk. This is the amount of milk I'm going to use. If I want more, I might throw up on it. So I'm going to throw the milk into this. You don't really throw. I might not even use this much because it look way too much. Look. It look way too much. Yeah, it look way too much, so I'm gonna use all light pan it. But if I need more, I go cover this. I cover this and shake it up. Normally, I would have put the milk in it from yesterday, but I never really did home yesterday because I'm going to deal with something. So, I never really did home yesterday. And this is the after look when you put the milk in it. No one must know this look. The girls, them are Jamaica, the male, them are the foods. I can't show you come now and the milk dash up on me in here. Alright, hold on, I'm turning it. So guys, this is what it looked like after I add the milk. It looked like way too much, but trust me, it's a go work. This is the milk we left back. It's a go work. So in the next clip, I'm gonna show you how I season my flour. I because I don't meat alone for season, flour for season too. And I never tell you no say, me I bring you no come in here for judge how this look, because when you wash plate or this way it go pan. I really say wash like when you clean and you season at meat. So this soup come off. So whenever I bring you in here for judge this. So the flour now. This is the cup we use for the flour. See it there? So I'm going to take out 1 cup. And the 1 cup I'm going to put in the bag. So 1, right? I'm going to take out maybe half, because it look like I really need 2 cups of flour. But, you know, I have to make sure say enough there. Flour all done. Right? So this is the flour. This I gotta do for all of them. They trust me. I'm gonna know if I can fry all of them. So my positive say it I go do. So what I'm gonna use for my seasoning is, let me take them out. Maggi all-purpose. Need some salt. I'm gonna use a lot of salt because salt gives high blood pressure. I'm gonna use some more. This is not what really they in it. This is what they in the bucket. The pepper flakes or whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna use some paprika so you can get a little color. This really not have no flavor to it. Nothing that they really there in this. It just give the chicken a pretty color, I guess. Yeah. So this is what I'm gonna use. So first, let me put back this. And normally I would like grind out some pimento seed and put in it, but I'm not do that today. So I'm just gonna deal with it quick and fast. I might put some jerk seasoning in it. So what I'm gonna do is that, see, me make sure I go to measurement because I don't want to kill no parents. Nor no husband or no wife or whoever. This is the amount of salt I use because salt give you high blood pressure. So, I just go so and put it in it. You see me? That alone. This now, see there? It's all that stretch. Just be careful with this. I can't use spoon for them, something, you know. I use my head and measure it. So just throw it some way, you know. Where you know I go get a pretty color. Sure. This now, which is the pepper flakes, I really don't use a lot, but I use it. I'm gonna throw some on it. Look, it's not really a lot because when you shake it up, you might have to go do it again because you want the whole of the flour to get the season, not just the top. I'm gonna throw some Maggi all-purpose on it. Then I hold the box so let the air come out, little bit of air come out of it. I say alright, and then you just shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. Rub it out, do what you have to do. The flour, the color of the flour might change and it might not change. I don't know, maybe my back a black all of this, but I don't know if you can see it, but I'll bring it up close to the camera. Wait there, I'm gonna turn the light on. Wait, what happened? Your babe so strong. But this is the color of the flour. I don't know if you can see it for true or not or what. Wait. So this is the color of the flour. Jesus Christ. The ring light I give me everything I look for. So this is the, oh God. Or am I on? Oh, am I on? So this is the color of the flour. See, you can see the pepper flakes them. Or whatever. It look like it have look on it, but no one can see it. Eh? The Maggi all-purpose and the paprika give one look color. It not have the color there. And you can see the pepper flakes them and everything. So Maybe rub this up, rub it up, rub it up. Sometimes I will taste it to see if it's fresh or whatever. But I taste it today because I don't want to send me any flour. So this is what it is. I'm gonna tie this, you see me? This, I don't think this one no more because as you can see. Look. Zoom in the camera. Sure. I'm gonna see the pepper flakes them. All of the niceness them. Yeah, Juliet teach her daughter how to cook. Wash, cook and clean. Yeah. Look, see there. Yeah. So I'm gonna tie that bag here now. So see, after I tie that bag here, I'm gonna take out the pot and get ready for work. See, I tie the bag. I tie the bag. I'm gonna put that. I'm gonna cover back the chicken with the cover within the sink. So I'm gonna cover it. I'm gonna wipe off over there so that just splash. I lock up back the stuff them and put them up because I really don't want them here anymore. Them here no use anymore because the chicken season and the flower season. So guys, this is the after look, but I couldn't get to record everything, and I actually record my Instagram now because my phone have no space. This is the after look, and when I dish it out, I go show you. Y'all can cook up on the chicken. Oh Jesus, trouble in it, child. So guys, that will actually be the end of the video, and I will see y'all in my next video.